What's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel for a fun video. I wanted to do a quick gift guide for you guys where I go over what my top 3 picks would be for giving someone a Bible this year for Christmas. And maybe not everyone in the world wants a Bible, but there are a lot of women out there who get excited about getting a new Bible. And so anyway, I'm excited to definitely feature Bible Believing Christians channel. She actually sent me a Bible as a gift. Thank you so much. That was so nice of you. And anyway, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of that Bible coming up in hopefully the next few weeks, probably in January on my channel, but that's going to be the third Bible I talk about. The first one I want to jump in with you guys is the She Reads Truth Bible. I did an unboxing of this Bible back in September when I got this. This was sort of like a celebration award for myself. When I got 10,000 subscribers, I allowed myself to purchase this Bible. It's CSB, which is Christian Standard Bible. I'll link all these below in the description box as well if you guys want to check them out on Amazon. This was a really affordably priced Bible. I believe I got it for like $30 at the time. And so it comes in lots of different colors. It comes in dove gray, this color that's called poppy. This is a linen cover. They also have a paper cover and they have leather covers. And I actually, Bible Believing Christian, her channel, she did a review on the leather touch one. And so if you want to know more about that, I will also link that in the description box below. So anyway, this Bible is great. It comes with this nice little protective cover, and it when you first get it, you can see on my unboxing video, it has like a little panel, like outer wrapping thing that's pretty nice. And it's got so many great features. I really like this translation, Christian Standard Bible. It's got Bible reading plans featured. It's got special maps. The maps are gorgeous. It's got devotionals. I'm not as huge of a fan of the devotionals as I thought I would be, but the other features more than make up for it. It's a beautiful Bible. Each book has its own like artwork, like scripted, like for the theme verse in the Bible. Let's see, let's go to Colossians because that has a really pretty one. We'll do Galatians instead. You can see it's just really pretty. It says, I do not set aside the grace of God, and it's just beautifully done. Here's an example of one of the maps. They're really cool. They have just great features with this Bible. It's affordable, it's beautiful, it's a very popular Bible. I definitely recommend getting this for pretty much any age woman in your life who's looking for a Bible for Christmas. The next one I did an unboxing of this Bible on my channel a couple of years ago. I'm gonna link all of these videos I mentioned again, like in a card above and in the description box below. I think the cards actually go up here and you can drop down and see what I'm talking about. But this is a New Living Translation Bible. It's put out by Tyndale. It's turquoise. I love, love, love the color of this Bible. When I unboxed it on my channel, I accidentally spilt some hot tea on it. So I don't know if you can tell, but there's just a smidge of discoloration right here. It's in the unboxing video. It's pretty funny. I did this, I inserted some gift wrap on the inner covers. They're usually just white, but they're really pretty. The Bible is really pretty and it has really wide margins. So does the She Reads Truth Bible. If you are into taking notes or doing a little bit of Bible journaling or anything like that, cross-referencing, stuff like that, it has really nice wide margins. And the New Living Translation is a great translation for a newer Christian or for a kid. If you have any kids like daughters, girls, nieces, granddaughters in your life who need a Bible, one, this is a fun color, and two, it's an easy to read translation that is pretty true to the meaning of Scripture in most cases. And so, well, it's obviously true to Scripture, but the translation is pretty good, and yet it's simple and easy to read is what I mean. So this is an awesome Bible to give as a gift. And then the third one is the gift that I received from Bible Believing Christian. Hello! And this is an ESV Bible. I've never read the Bible in ESV before, and so I'm really excited to dive into this one. But this was so pretty. It's leather touch, and it's by, let's see, like I said, it's by Crossway. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of this. It comes in this nice case with kind of like a envelope type effect, envelope chocolate box type effect, whatever. But it's got this really pretty like embossed leather touch panel that goes all the way through. And it also has my name embossed on it. So I think that's a great thing to consider if you're giving someone a Bible for Christmas, that you get their name engraved in the front. And it's just beautiful. It's got this gold on the side. And this one still has a lot of nice wide margins. It's beautiful, and I'm excited to use this Bible in the future. I do like the way they've laid out the Old Testament narrative books, the way they're kind of in these nice large paragraphs, like you would see like in a nonfiction book or a novel or something. I really like that. and yet they still kept the Psalms nice and spread out. So I've never read out of the ESV, but I know it's an extremely popular version for Bible study. I believe the Open Bible, I believe they use ESV, and this is just such a nice quality, and you can find this as well for sure on Amazon, probably at christianbook.com and other places. So anyway, thank you so much, Carrie, for this beautiful Bible. I am going to treasure it, and I'm excited to do the unboxing video, and I hope people will go and check out your channel as well. That's the video for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and check out the links in the description box below, and I will see you on Monday with a devotional video. All right, talk to you then. Bye.